experience, kasi it's a mobile, parang yun nga, available for mobile app. And meron bang parang different experience ba in filming, and also yung nakikita nyo in terms of how it was portrayed in the app compared sa ginagawa nyo sa TV, sa movies, etc. Kahit sino pwede magsagot.
Okay, yung ako naman, yung pagkakita ko dun sa yung experience namin, tama ba yung pagkakita ko?
Yes,
yung parang, is there anything different na parang since it's gonna be shown in mobile, did we do anything different? Ano siya, it's shot as a movie, si Direk May yung director namin. And it's shot as a movie, but yun, wala namang parang ibang kakaibang nangyari for this particular project.
And in terms of, kano katagal lang per ang series kada week?
Yung first episode is 45 minutes.
About 45 minutes yung first episode.
Tapos pwede nila yung panoorin. Once na-download na nila, pwede nila panoorin pa ulit. Anytime, anywhere. Yes. And yun, ito nga, first time to na mayroong mobile movie na kailangan mo talaga i-download and hindi mo siya mapapanood sa TV or YouTube. Exclusive lang sa ABS-CBN Mobile. Kaya we're asking for your help to spread the word na mag-ABS-CBN Mobile and mag-text na I want TV10 and send to 2135 para mapanood na nila. Yun.
Tapos every Mondays din po yung mga susunod po na episodes. Kaya ngayon po yung una, tapos susunod ko ng mga Mondays. Tatlo pa.
Thank you.